For OEMs managing such supply chain themselves, there are difficulties. It's not their core activity. Their core activities are elsewhere. Second, transferring that knowledge to a far away location is always challenging for them. As an ESO, with people with experience in the team who have handled such supply chain earlier, it becomes much easier. They know the ground reality, they know the ground conditions much better, and with the knowledge sharing of other OEM experiences also, they can bring in positives and channelize it much more effectively. And this becomes their core function. So they are much more focused into the activity of supply chain management as compared to an OEM. So I think as a standalone ESO, providing such a service is much better option than OEM themselves engaging into an activity which is not their core function. This additionally gives much more flexibility to OEMs. They can leverage an ESO's global presence to approach emerging markets elsewhere in the world. Working for OEM and global supply chain, I would say is relatively easier, no doubt, because you are directly dealing on behalf of an OEM, and therefore you also have much easier access to their documentation, literature, etc. But when you're working for an ESO, which you are neither a part of an OEM nor a part of a supplier, it throws up new challenges. And in order to be successful in such an environment, you are forced to improve your performance levels and add value both to OEM and to supplier so that you are acceptable at both the ends. And therefore, you add value to supplier by going and solving problems at their end and their being partner to their problem solving. You also add value at the OEM end by having enough information at any point in time ready without his asking also. When you get into a bigger ESO like Quest, it helps the team because you are then gelling into a much bigger organized setup where your other needs are very well taken care of, and you don't have to really worry about smaller things in managing your day-to-day activities. Not only that, then you are also aspiring to grow big because you are seeing additional opportunities around you.